What is up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by Autovox. If you're not familiar with Autovox, they are the lead in backup and dash cam technology. So today they sent me over a true wireless solar powered backup camera. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I mounted it up here. Check this out. How awesome is that? I have the backup camera right here and I have the solar panel right there. As you guys can see, it's getting a lot of sunlight, so it will charge itself. Getting this backup camera can save you $200 in installation fees, and perfect for any car, SUV, minivan, whatever it may be. If you guys do not have a backup camera equipped with your vehicle, this is the perfect solution for you. So thank you once again, Autovox, for sending me this product. And if any of you guys are interested, check the link in the description below and use the 10% promo code there as well. Now let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are finally going to be modding the Supra. Although it does not run, I have the very first mod that I want to put on the Supra. It looks amazing. We got a body kit. We got my buddy Keon here. What up, man? What's up, man? Oh. So UPS cracked my bumper. They cracked it right here and right here. Keon fixed it for me. Thank you so much, bro. No problem. Did it like nothing. So he's gonna be helping me install the body kit today. We're probably gonna go over to Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever, get some hardware and try to install this bad boy. So guys, you're probably wondering what body kit this is. This is a rare JDM kit that is so hard to find. Funny story is I bought this kit before I even bought the car. I didn't want this car if I knew that I wouldn't be able to have this kit, but thank God I found it. It is a Godfather Diana kit. When this came out, it was about over $3,000 and it was hard to get. They discontinued it a long time ago and I found all of it brand new for $800. I was just on eBay one day, I saw it. I asked the person if they would sell it for $800 instead of $1,000. She said yes. The reason why she was selling it is because her husband left her and it was in her attic. Dude, come up of a lifetime. I don't think anyone in the US has this kit right now. There's a few people that have like pieces of it, but no one has the full kit. So the Supra is gonna get a fat makeover. And we got Keon Civic over here, Type R. Damn, now that I see during the day you have Brembos? Yeah. Those are fat. Can we get a ride in this later?
Yeah, we're gonna go get some bolts.
You know, this is my first time in a Civic Type R.
It's gonna be lit.
This is a Civic, all right, because it's comfy as hell. Damn, this is nice. Dude, you make driving stick look so easy.
I've been driving for like 7 years now. What's new about the newer cars though, it has auto rev match, which I wasn't used to. It had the gap cam too.
Gap cam?
Yeah.
Fucking gap cam? So you be taking no L's in this.
I took one this morning.
On the way here? What car was it?
The new Corvette.
It's all good. The first step is admitting. Oh my god, this thing is fucking fast! Oh. Dude, you got up to like almost 90 fucking fast. Bro, you weren't kidding.
When it's on E, it's a different story.
Holy shit. My buddies, they have pretty fast BMWs, but this thing is pretty, this is up there. We're about to put on the front bumper. Keon's just checking it out. Bro, I'm so excited. This front bumper is so aggressive. So you guys already know, in every single car guy's household, there's always the missing 10 mil, man. We need the 10 mil to get this, and this off. And I found one, but it's not deep enough. So Keon was kind enough to go to Pep Boys and pick some up for me. He's gonna get me a socket set. Thank God he works there. Get that employee discount. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, this day's not going as planned. I thought it would be super simple, but we haven't even started and we're already like an hour and a half in. On the bright side, this is probably the coolest first mod you can do to the Supra. And guys, I also got an OEM white one in the garage. We're gonna be installing that too. I could have easily just gotten that painted white, but I think I'm just gonna throw on the white ones that I bought and try to sell those two. And to be honest, I don't know if we're gonna be able to install the rear bumper today because the exhaust, it sits a little too far to the left. So I'm gonna have to take it to a muffler shop and see if they can just move it over to the right. I don't know if you guys know this, but this is a Reddy Trust DD exhaust. I guess it's like super rare. I joined a Supra group on Instagram and I was telling them like all the little goodies that I got, and they're like, bro, where did you even get all this stuff? And I'm like, dude, it just came with the car. I mean, the body kit I lucked out on. I never thought I'd be able to find that. Like, this kit is more rare than my Black Pearl kit on the Lexus. And just a heads up for all you JDM fans, a body kit straight from Japan is usually fiberglass and it has to be white. That's when you know it's legit. Hopefully this changes the look of the car completely. I know it's not running, so it's kind of stupid for me to install it, but from the very start, I knew I wanted this to be the very first mod on the Supra, regardless if it were running or not. You guys already know me, dude. The car doesn't even run that great, but it's always better to look good than to feel good. Yes! Bro, that was so hard. It took us like an hour and a half. Whoever designed this is freaking stupid. Oh my god, 2 pieces, it took forever to take off. Let's get this front bumper on. Alright, you wanna do the honors? Oh, that already looks fucking tight. So Keon wanted to cut this because it hits when we try to put the bumper on. I'm gonna do the same to this side, and hopefully it should fit. Now Keon is mounting. Oh, you're not even mounting. You're drilling the holes, and we're gonna mount it. Basically, it's gonna mount up to this bar right here. There's 3 holes, and then it's gonna mount to right here. And hopefully that should be enough. This thing looks sick. It's like this high off the ground. It's a nice looking BN kit you got there. Pretty close. Bro, why are we even doing this? I can't even drive the car.
So it looks cool, so
So we finally finished front bumper. Fitment isn't the best, but I might need new fenders anyways. We're gonna put a quick release here, but this is the fitment there. This is the fitment here. It's a little sunken. Fitment here is fire, and then this is a little sunken because I think the fender had some damage before. Look at that. Oh shit, thank you so much, bro. What do you think of my 240?
it's a clean 240.
God damn. All right, we're gonna try to do the sides and probably call it a day. You ready? Damn, hot boy over here.
Nah, not yet.
The Yeezys.
When I get my wheels, it'll be hot boy.
Dude, you're working on cars in Yeezys.
They're just shoes.
We got one side skirt on. Guys, look at that. I'm gonna not show you the rear because we're not putting that on today, but look at that. Fitment isn't the best. I might do a self-tap here if I really want to send it. See that gap? Maybe a body shop could do something about it when I get it painted. Gap here, but it's on there. Like, it won't come off. That's sick. Can't thank you enough. Dude, he knows everything. Thank you. I can finally say I have a 240, Toyota 240. I think we're gonna put on the other side skirt and just honestly call it a day because it's getting really dark, and I'll show you guys more of it tomorrow. So, see you then. Bye. What's up, guys? It is the next day. Keon is already back and it's hard at work.
Yes, sir.
Putting on bumper fasteners. I already got one right here. It's like a little quick release latch. And while he's been doing that, I got off the rear bumper. Took a while, but finally got it off. Next step, I'm probably gonna have to take off the exhaust and then probably put on the rear bumper. The sun is going down, so I'm gonna try to do this pretty quick. I took off the taillight for no fucking reason. Here's one last look at the kit. Whew. Now I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna take off this exhaust. I think it's only 4 bolts. You can kind of see them over there. Damn, look at that kit. Fucking rice car, fool. You guys already know on this channel I never front with you guys. We got beastie fitment right here, but at least it stays. Beastie fitment over here. At least this stays. Like I said, project car. Maybe I'll find a good body shop someday that can fill that in or work some magic on it, but this right now is perfect for me because the car already looks like a shitbox. Oh, and guys, before I forget, we still have to announce the winner of the giveaway. The winner of the giveaway, who is winning this shirt right here, boom, is Angel Gabriel. Thank you again for watching all the videos, Angel. You are the best. Huge shout out to Jerm for making this giveaway happen.
T for you. Let's go. This is for you, Angel.
It scared the fuck out of him. Alright guys, so we finished the car. Unfortunately, it's too dark and the Supra can't really be driven anywhere, so I can't show you guys until tomorrow, but I thought I would bring Keon out and get a little more insight on his Type R and what he's done to it. Alright Keon, so what year is your car?
It's 2019.
I want to know, what's the favorite thing you've done on this car?
Honestly, I don't even know, man. Well, the taillights. It'd be the taillights. Mugen taillights.
God damn, what a baller. I fucks with that.
Yeah, it's very hard.
But what have you done to the car though?
It's full bolt-ons on E85, making 390 and 400 torque.
390 wheel?
Wheel.
Yeah, that's sick. Is this your favorite car that you've owned out of all the cars you've owned?
No. My favorite car would still be my Z. Like, out of everything.
What year was your Z?
81.
Guys, so he had a Z. I'll throw a picture of it right here. Nice, huh? So, do you like front wheel drive?
I did not at first, but when I got my SI, which was back in 2017, that's when I really fell in love with the front wheel drive. You can literally throw the car into the turn.
Honestly, I've known Keon for maybe about, I want to say a year and a half.
Yeah.
But I didn't really get to know him until yesterday. The first time I met him was at Pep Boys, and he rang me up, and ever since then, I think we've known of each other. And when I got the Supra, he was like, hey, I had one too, and just wanted to help me out. So thank you again.
Yes, sir.
Small world, huh?
Very small world.
Keon, can we get an exhaust clip?
Sure, we can get one.
Oh my god!
Let's go before the cops come.
You asshole, I didn't know you were gonna do it that loud. Oh, that's so sick. Hey fool, we gotta leave. Alright guys, it is the next morning. I know I've dragged this video on for so long, but I finally get to show you the Supra in all its glory. But first, I really want to show Ivana and get her opinion on how the car looks. Hi. And we got the sunlight. It's gonna look so good. Alright, you ready to see it? Go ahead.
Wow! Oh my god, it looks so low. It looks really good.
Thank you. Does it look a lot different from when I first bought it, like a month ago?
Yeah, it looks much better. Wow, I can't believe you did that.
Alright guys, so you guys remember how the hood was red? I went ahead and also used all the white primer I had and try to make it, you know, all one color almost. You ready to see it? There she is. The whole Godfather Diana kit in all her glory.
Congratulations, you have just won a brand new car.
Is that a Supra? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you really like this body kit and you think it looks like a Nissan 240, if you squint really hard, give this video a thumbs up. So I'm not supposed to be driving it because the engine smokes. I'm thinking it's possible blown head gasket, but it is running kind of lean. So I don't know if it's that, but I do know I have to replace that anyways in the future. But I think it might also be exhaust manifold, turbo manifold, I don't know, but I'm hoping it's not the pistons or the piston rings because I don't want to rebuild the bottom bottom end at all, but the next goal for this would be to save some money and pull the motor, rebuild it, make it as reliable as I possibly can. But it looks pretty sick.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Can you guys imagine this car all one color in the future? Like really professionally painted? That's gonna look amazing. But yeah, like I said, I shouldn't be driving it. The engine smokes a tiny bit, but I might get you guys a little roller shot right here of me just going down the neighborhood and show you how the kit looks while moving. Isn't that cool? Very fun, huh? This is a little rattly because my exhaust. Want to drive it? Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the new body kit. I'll definitely show it off more and do cinematics when the car is actually running and looks a little bit better. Before we end today's video, I have to put two very important things onto the Supra that I've been wanting to put for so long. So the first thing we're gonna be putting is this Surikawa from Phantom. My boy sent this over to me. Thank you so much. I always wanted this in a JDM car, and we're gonna put it into the Supra. And there you guys have it. She is done. Looks pretty nice, huh? The last thing we're gonna be putting on is a Smellables air freshener. This is my favorite one by far because it is the best smelling one. It smells like blue Sour Punch straws or something. It is so good. Ah, it smells so good. Thank you guys over at Smellables for always taking care of me. This is my favorite one. Literally, it smells so good and it kind of goes with my interior. And there you guys have it. Huge thank you to everyone that made it to the end of the video. You are a real one. If you guys liked today's video on the Supra and want to see more Supra content in the future, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Oh.
Later.